Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Super Mama 4. We are doing okra soup today. Actually, no, not okra soup, okra stew. So what we've got the rib fingers. It's like pieces of meat that comes with the ribs. We've got lamb curry. We've got pig trotters. And then we've got a mixture of green and red peppers, onions, and then some prawns. Oh, I forgot the ginger. Show of the dish, ginger. We've got our spices here, which is just basically cumin, oregano, salt, dried bouillon, and that's actually no cumin, coriander as well. And that's all in at the moment. So if you want to keep watching, welcome back to the fams. This is like halfway through. This is no way, if you're in a diet, this is not the okra stew for you to eat. It has plenty of palm oil, definitely not for any diet. But this was served me and 3 kids for like 2 days. I've got, you know, when you're making okra stew, you have to have your portion size on the side. So but anyways, I will show you guys a video tomorrow of how I'm gonna make my fufu, my semolina fufu that I paired with this one. But for now, my lovelies, I will love you, and if you can smell this through the video, smell it, smell it, smell it. I'll chat to you guys soon. Bye.